hopefully you guys got a lot of value out of that. One more thing we like to do to add value when you're listening to the podcast is to tell you what we like to call our Whissel Widget of the week. And this is something that we're utilizing in our business that either helps us save time, make more money, or just helps us have more fun. So, Bryan, what do you got for us today?
So mine is a tool. It's a video player that you can upload videos to. I've always been against other upload or other players. I always think Facebook and YouTube are the way to go. But this one offers something very unique, and that's the ability to do kind of give you options based on clicking. This is not coming out well. It's kind of like a choose your own adventure video. So you can do the video and say, if you want to go here, click this button. If you want to say this, click this button. And so it's called Interactr. We'll put that up on the screen. It'll be in the show notes. But what it does is it allows you to break down into different paths based on where your audience wants to follow. So right now we're using this. I worked with our sales manager and we did a couple objection handlers. So he said, okay, if you want to say yes, click here. If you want to say no, click here. But we're going to use it for a ton more videos. The downside is it has to be on a landing page. You can't put this on Facebook. You can't put it on YouTube because it's its own individual player. But we're utilizing a lot more landing pages lately. So we're going to use it for things like our recruiting. Hey, do you want to go here, here, here? And the other great thing about it is you can update a specific piece of the video, right? So each video is 9 videos, 6 videos, 3 videos long. I can remove one of them and switch it out, and I still have the whole video as a whole, and I can update pieces of it rather than delete the whole thing.
You got the whole video as a whole, huh?
Shut up.
Good job.
Whatever. What's your stupid widget?
No, this is sick, guys. It's literally choose your own adventure mixed with videos. So even you could have somebody go to your page and there's an intro video and it says, are you interested in buying or selling? And they could click one. And then if they click buying, it's going to play a video specific to buying. If they click selling, something specific to selling. And then you just go from there and you can spawn that out as far as you want to. So it's pretty sweet.
Yeah. And so if you wanted to see the ones we've done, the ones we've done now, objections.thewhisselway.com. That's what we've started out with, and we're going to grow from there.
Cool. This widget I want to talk about this week is something I'm really, really big on accountability. I think this is something that's really huge in getting shit done. And so I've also found that putting money on the line really increases accountability. And so we found this app, and as far as I know, this is only available on iOS right now. If you're still on Android, sorry. So what's awesome is this app is you can create challenges in here. So one of the challenges you have going right now is a lot of people put on their COVID-19, and meaning they put on 19 pounds during COVID. They want to lose a lot of that weight. So we have a challenge going right now that you work out 5 days a week, and every workout that you miss, you have to check in via video, and every workout you miss, you're throwing $100 in the pot. And I have like 20 people on this challenge right now. So it's a 2-week challenge, $100 per workout that you miss, 5 workouts per week. You're essentially putting $1,000 on the line. As long as you do your 5 workouts each week, you cost you nothing. And anybody who misses, they're going to put money into the pot, and you're going to get a piece of that. So it's cool because you're actually putting money on the line. If you miss a workout, it's just going to debit your credit card automatically.
It's going to debit your credit card.
Yep. This is going to take the money right out of your account and put it into the pot, and it's going to get split up by the people who do it. So we're doing that for workouts, but you could do that if you want to do, let's say you and a few people want to get together and you're going to power hour every single day. You can do that. Get up
I thought it was
every
workout
morning.
only.
It's whatever you want, anything. There's people who literally, it's like, I'm going to drink a gallon of water a day. Or I just saw one today. It's like, I'm going to put the toilet seat down. Like, that was one of their challenges. So you could come up with whatever challenges you want. You could create whatever the frequency is, the duration, the penalty. You get to create all of that stuff. But it's amazing when you put a little money on the line. Like, ours goes Monday to Sunday. And here it was Sunday. We had a Sunday fun day. I was drinking, eating, hanging out with friends. But it was like 9 o'clock, and I was like, shit, I got one more workout I got to get in. So I loaded up the yoga and did my thing at 9:30 at night and banged out a 30-minute yoga session, because the last thing I want to do is, not only do I not want to put in the $100, I don't want to lose.
Yeah,
I don't
that's
like to
what
lose.
it is.
So It's amazing what that'll do for you. So it's called Spar. I think their website is Get Spar, Spar. It's pretty awesome. So
Cool.
That's what we got for you guys. Those are our widgets of the week. I hope you guys got a ton of value out of the show today. There's some good stuff in there with the ISA game. If you would like to subscribe to the show, you can always go to thewhisselway.com, subscribe to the podcast, also subscribe on YouTube. You can go to our Facebook group where you can ask questions, engage with us, and join our referral network because a lot of people are leaving California. And then last, find out about our upcoming Media Mayor Mastermind events, which we're doing both virtually and in person. And that's where you can get 5.5 years of video content in 16 hours of content, plus some Q&A outside of that. We'll just leave it at that. Is that good, Brian?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
All right, cool. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in to The Whissel Way. We'll see you next week.
See you guys.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.